Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Hello everyone! I dyed my hair a new color a few days ago, and now I'm recording a makeup tutorial for you. Before applying makeup, I always use this serum. I've almost used it up. Because my skin is sensitive, I have high requirements for skincare products, especially for serums and similar products. Its texture is very moisturizing, very lightweight, so I generally use it as a moisturizer before applying makeup. It has a great soothing effect. I also recommended it on Weibo. Let's get started now. For concealer, I'm using the Hourglass concealer, but I bought the mini version. I'll try out the face cream. What type of videos do you want me to make? I also make vlogs, but whether I post them on Hongshu's platform, or whether you want to see them, I can make a video recommending skincare products. If you want to see it, I'll make a sharing video. The most important part of makeup is contouring. So, let's start by contouring the nose. Beginners can try using a slanted, flat brush. The brush's curve can fit well into the nose contour. First, draw 2 lines under the nose bridge in a C shape. Bring it up to the bridge of the nose. Then, use the flat side to contour the nose tip. This creates a delicate seagull line. After that, I usually contour the eye socket area. Bring it to the lower part of the eye socket. Then, deepen the front half of the philtrum. This makes it look more intense, and can also shorten the philtrum. Contour brushes are much smaller than regular brushes, so the positioning is more precise. The first brush should land in the triangular area of the cheekbone. Blend forward. Feel like it's already receded. Use a flat brush to draw the jawline. Blend it upward. This way, the transition looks more natural. This makes the jawline very defined, and it looks natural. How about that? For eyeshadow, I'm using this palette. Start with this gray shade as a base for the eye socket. Then, pick this purple shade and apply it above the eyeball. Use this white shade to create a cut crease, starting from the inner corner of the eye. For the eyeliner, I'm using a black gel pencil. It's almost running out. Hoping it lasts until I finish my eyeliner. It's really in bad shape. It can't roll up anymore. For false eyelashes, I'm using this Little Devils. Then, I usually highlight the inner corner of the eye, making it a bit more intense. Now, the most frequently asked question. Blush. Blush is an old friend. Use it on the cheeks to make our face plump up. Then, I'll use this 3CB. How does it look? Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.